Hey you, welcome back to the vlog. So today we're at the airport and we're actually going to Pennsylvania to perform. Now when I mean we, is not only me, but I want to introduce you to my team. Cool, alright. Oh, okay, let's restart this. Hey you, welcome back to the vlog. So today I want to bring you on to our trip. And today we're at LAX. We're actually going to Pennsylvania to perform magic. And when I mean we, it's not only me today, but I'm bringing one of my team magician, and I want to introduce you to Dylan. Dylan, say hi.
Hi everyone. What's up?
Why do you look so weird?
I'm looking a little raw today. I'm in travel mode. I guess. Hey everyone, how's it going?
There you go. You can follow.
Can't see any.
You can follow him on Instagram. Now don't follow him. Okay.
Hey.
Yeah, only when you take it off, they should follow you.
Only when I'm looking sexy.
Oh, there you go. There you go. We're on our way to LAX.
Johnny, what are you doing? So right now we're doing another training. Even at the airport, I still want to help my magicians, and they always want to grow as well. So this is truly their passion, and I'm super proud of them that they grow every single day. So I want to help them as much as possible to help them grow. So right here, we're still doing FaceTime to train. This is Bradley from Team Blue Magic. There you go. My Asian brother.
We're not related. This one is not.
I try my best.
I think you can tell.
But yeah, so we're practicing to make someone's ring disappear. Cool. Right now. So yeah, secrets you can't watch.
So we're still waiting for our plane. It delayed for 1 hour. But Dylan has back pain, so I brought magic. Here we go. Stick it in. What do you think? Don't moan outside. Turn around.
What is that? Holy crap! What the? This is ridiculous. I didn't even use this. Right here. There's three levels. It's not a sex toy. No? I know. But yeah. Look, if we don't film here and we just film here, it looks extremely weird. Oh, that feels so good. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay? Our new trick involves people opening a bag. And when they're opening the bag, we come up behind them like this and we shove it in their spine. And while we're in front of them, we tell them that we're sending vibrations through their entire body so everyone can see it. That's the way we're going to hypnotize people. Like this.
Oh my god. Oh, this is.
I hope you enjoy this.
I'm gonna. Oh, I'm drooling. Did you see that?
Yeah. Oh. Man, they need to sponsor me.
Sponsor it?
But this thing, dude, is seriously so good. I'm gonna put
G3 Pro.
I'm gonna put the link down in description.
This is stupid good.
It's so strong, right?
Look at it. I'll bet you could break a watermelon.
That's what she says.
Isn't that amazing?
Ladies and gentlemen, we do
It's a massage
power
gun.
massager.
for 11 tonight. If you're in groups of 1 or 2, you're welcome to line up. At this time, we would like to begin our pre-boards. Those passengers that need additional time for boarding.
It's stupid, right?
You're welcome to
That
pre-board.
machine that you stand on and like shakes your body.
No.
Oh,
It feels like.
I've been on those before. It's like shake your weight off or something.
Personnel, you're welcome to pre-board.
I've never been on one. Alright, so let me show you another magic. Because this thing. So. What are you doing?
very good at blowing. He's like, what the fuck?
I think he wants anything to do with you.
Check this out. There you go. Boom. Boom.
You're oh my god.
It feels so good, trust me.
Where did you get this?
Try it out.
What?
Try it out. Tell me that's not comfortable.
How much is this?
Right now it's about $700 for this. This is called the right timing.
This is mine.
The right timing to sell.
This is amazing.
It's the best, right?
Screw hypnotizing people. Screw reading people's mind. This is the real magic.
This plus the massage.
And that's coming from a magician, so you know it's true.
This thing's so good. I'll put a link down below. Give it back. Give it back.
Give it back.
Alright, good night. Alright, now you see me. Washington, and next stop is Harrisburg, PA. Let's see you there. What's up with all these teeth on the lace?
Sausage, egg, and cheese croissant.
This is so creepy. What the heck? Okay, so our check-in is at 3 p.m. So I thought we'd come and do some swimming, and we found this.
Oh, you're so going down in air
we're
hockey.
like big kids.
You are so going down in air hockey. We go hunt the big game.
Why is the laundry machine in the same room as the game room?
It's a
Is this a game?
Good use of space. Like, what's the optimum space?
Take a look at this. We're at the hotel room. Check out the freezer.
What the heck? What is that? We put 2 really good beers in.
Oh my gosh, dude, it's all free stuff.
Wow.
Right? I've never seen that before.
That is insane.
Wow. Over in our room right here. And it overlooks the pool. That's really nice. We had to wait, so we actually jumped in there soon for a couple hours already.
Alright, so we're all ready to go to the show right now. All dressed up. And, oh, look at that bow tie. Oh, how sick is that?
I don't mean to flex on anyone,
Oh,
but...
how sick is that? Alright, so we're on the Uber ride. And how do you feel? This is your first time traveling as a magician.
It is a dream come true, actually. You know, everybody dreams that they'll get paid to go travel somewhere and do what they love, and this is the very first time that I've ever been able to do that, so I hope I don't poop my pants. Because I'm really, really, really excited, and I'm also kind of nervous. But I know we'll be great, because we always great.
Yeah.
You know, but it's still like a little surreal. You know what I mean?
Right, because just 3-4 months ago that you don't know any magic.
No magic whatsoever. And now, if you would have told me 3 months ago that I would be leaving LA to go travel to a giant company charity gig to perform magic, I would have laughed in your face. I would have been like, I'll take that bet. I would have been wrong.
Yeah. Let me see your hand. Here. Can anyone see this? Yeah. There's nothing on his palm. I have a Sharpie. I'm gonna draw something on your palms, okay? I won't draw anything to you. I just have to hold it. I'm gonna draw something small, a little X. 2 questions for you though. Have you had a massage before? Yes. With Asian guys? Well, you're gonna get one now. By Asian guy. No happy ending to this one though. I don't know what you get. But anyway. Oh, you might. You ready? Okay. You can see it's not coming off, it's Sharpie, right? Can you see that? It's not coming off. There's nothing on my fingertips. Over here. Ready? Right here. 1, 2, 3. You can see that it comes off. Look right here. My fingertips. Did I touch you?
No way.
I didn't touch you.
No way.
Did you feel anything?
I did not feel anything.
What if it's on?
I feel something pulsating in my head.
It's on your left hand palm. Now you do your right hand, but you're protecting your left hand.
Should I take it off?
Take your right hand off, turn this hand over. No way! Right hand. Perfect. Now this is Sharpie. I'm gonna draw on it, okay? Not me anything weird. No giant dicks or anything. Oh my god. No, you just... Alright, it's just a little X, okay, everybody?
That's Alabama.
So everybody sees the Sharpie is not coming off. Now, have you ever had a hand massage before? No. Okay, well guess what? Today's your lucky day. That's it. Right? Today's your lucky day. So let me just warm my hands. Okay, here we go. Sharpie, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Watch. Did you feel anything just then?
So the outside of my hand.
Did I touch you?
No.
No. Okay, well, what if I told you the X is removed from his hand and it's on yours now?
I'd say I don't know how that happened.
All right? Well, let's check this theory, okay? Ready? Follow me. I want you to lift this up a little bit. Now remove your right hand like this. Turn this hand over and open. What the hell? Thank you. Now, do you have any tattoos? I do not. You do now? Well, once you do it, it's not going to come off, right? Pretty painless, right?
It ain't coming off.
You're too happy about this. Here we go. I'm gonna name 5 cards. Hopefully you still remember yours. Everyone look forward. If I name your card, please don't show it on your face yet. Ace of Spades, Ace of Hearts, 3 of Diamonds, 7 of Hearts, and King of Diamonds. If you heard your card, no lying this time. Please walk back to your seat if you heard your card. Did you hear yours? Should I repeat it? Ace of Spades, Ace of Hearts, 3 of Diamonds, 7 of Hearts, and King of Diamonds. And maybe the Joker. No? What is your card? You don't remember? Well, thank you so much. Round of applause for her that she does not remember her card. Yay! What did you drink? I would like some of that as well. Thank you. Alright, this time, is your card the Ace of Spades?
Bring it down.
Cut the music first. Give me that. I know I told you to say no to everything. You can say yes now. Okay? Let's try that again. For the first time, is that your card Ace of Spades? Yes. You will wear your card. Take your card. I want to show it to everyone. Oh, interesting. Oh, let me hold you. Show everyone, ladies and gentlemen, Ace of Spades. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, don't show it to everyone. Okay, hold on. When you take the card out from the back, was it the Ace of Spades? And now when you show everyone, it changed into the 7 of Hearts, right? Please just say yes. No. I want everyone to see this. If I just guess your card, it actually wouldn't be that amazing. This is actually not your card, okay? You can hold on to that for now. This is actually a deck
ready
of
with the
cards.
next sound
Card
cue.
was in several of cards inside of this deck of cards. You just can't see it, but it's in there. Thank you. But no, let me prove it to you. Are you ready? I want everyone to watch this.
Alright,
DJ,
go ahead.
drop the beat. Watch right here. Yes. Watch right here. Watch right here. It's not TV editing. Is that your card? 7 parts? Yes? 7 parts. No moving parts whatsoever. Keep it as a souvenir. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I'll take that back. There you go, thank you. Round of applause for her. Round of applause for her. Thank you so much.
Dylan is unfucking believable. I cannot believe the magic here. It's not really magic, it's just like telepathy, or it's like just I don't know, just looking at him, looking at me, and he just guessed everything right. It's unbelievable.
Good job, man.
Alright, so we finished 2 events already, and Dylan was about to leave, but he is going to visit his family.
Yep, same outfit as when I arrived here, because now I'm going to Ohio.
Yeah, but now it's like
But
3 a.m.
yeah, and it feels like it.
Yeah, I know. So everyone say bye to Dylan.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Follow him on Instagram right here. Bing.
At I am Dylan George.
Perfect.
I am
All right.
Dylan George.
I am Dylan George. All right.
Bye,
Safe
buddy.
travel.
I'll see you later.
Safe
Take
travel.
care of
Let me know
yourself.
when you get there.
Team Woo Magic, guys.
So proud of you.
Look, it fits perfectly.
I know.
Look
All
at
right. Safe travel, man.
Bye.
Safe travel. Don't hit a wall.
that. I'm gonna try my best.
All right.
You know, maybe a little zigzag down the hall, maybe a little prance.
All
See you,
right.
Johnny.
All right. Take care, man.
Bye.
Take care.
You too.
Oh man. What a personality. So proud of having Dylan on the team. And I am now going to take a nap because my flight is about 11, so I have 5 hours to sleep. And I'm heading back to Los Angeles. So I will see you guys back at the airport. Take care. Alright, so we finally got back to LAX. Finally got to go home now, but it was such a fun trip. First time for a Team Woo magician like Dylan to go out, travel as a magician to perform. That is like his dream come true, and we're definitely changing people's life right here. I'm just so excited for our future, and I would really love to bring all of you on the journey with us. So please subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, share it with people who like magic and want to do this as a career as well. I hope this will inspire you that you can actually do it. Also in the comment, please write down what you would like to see, because I would love to know more, and that way I can make more videos for you guys. Remember, my goal is 100 videos, so please leave it in the comment, and I'll see you guys soon, okay? People look at me very weird, like, what the hell is this guy talking to the camera? But I'll see you guys soon. Take care.